This project started with 2 preformed faux rock fountains. They gave the cheerful sound of water, filled the space, and were a fun way to get started. But over time, the homeowners realized they wanted something more, something that felt alive, natural, one of a kind. After a couple of years in the sun, the finish began to chip, leaves collected in the gravel, pumps clogged and burned out, and the small reservoirs needed filling almost every day. So it was time for an upgrade. The vision was simple, but bold. Create something natural, unique, and easy to care for. We brought in over 3 tons of limestone and puzzle-pieced it into a dramatic fountainscape. Water bubbled from the center stones, carving its way through cracks and channels as if it had been flowing that way for years. Driftwood, aquatic plants, and underwater lights added texture and atmosphere. A larger reservoir meant less maintenance and more time to simply enjoy the sound of moving water. When it was complete, Scott was all smiles. "That's one of the coolest things I've ever seen," he told us. That first night, well past 10 p.m., he was still outside watching the water and lights dance across the Japanese maple and the side of his home. The transformation gave them more than a fountainscape. It gave them a space they truly use and truly love.